Are you wondering whether it's the right time to buy or sell the QQQ ETF? In this video, we'll be delving deep into the QQQ ETF. We initially shared a report on our website on Wednesday, January 31, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important not to miss any crucial updates that could have an impact on your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of January 5, 2024, our system has ranked QQQ as a hold/accumulate, with a score of 0.25. Now, let's dive into how the stock has been performing during this period. Surpassing our expectations, QQQ has shown a gain of 5.1% since we initially recommended buying it 18 days ago. This impressive performance translates to an average return of 0.28% per day since it was listed as hold/accumulate. The ETF is currently positioned within a strong and consistent upward trend in the short term, indicating a potential further rise. Based on the recent 3-month trend, there is a projected 14.22% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 12.44% to 17.76%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a potential 35.5% change over the next year, with a projected return between 21.17% and 39.42%. This corresponds to a price range of $505.25 to $581.35 after 12 months. Our latest daily update for the QQQ ETF brings some interesting news. It has been downgraded to hold/accumulate due to a weaker technical forecast. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 31st of January 2024, the price of the QQQ ETF dropped by 1.96%, going from $425.30 to $416.97. Throughout the day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 1.46%, moving from a low of $416.80 to a high of $422.87. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 7 of them, resulting in a 2.4% increase over the past 2 weeks. Although the volume of shares traded increased by 30 million on the last day, it happened while the prices were falling. This could potentially be an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, approximately $26.39 billion worth of QQQ ETF shares were bought and sold, with a total of 63 million shares traded. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price the ETF reached was $429.85, while the lowest price was $285.19. Right now, the price is 3%, or $12.88, below the 52-week high of $429.85. It's important to note that this also happens to be the all-time high for the QQQ ETF. Let's take a look at the signals for QQQ. The QQQ ETF is currently showing a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is also a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, this gives a positive forecast for the stock, indicating a general buy signal for the ETF. As the ETF continues to gain, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average, which is around $424.27. Conversely, if the ETF experiences a decline, it will find support from the long-term average at approximately $410.28. It's important to note that a break above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. However, there have also been some negative signals that may impact the near short-term development of the ETF. On Monday, January 29, 2024, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a minus 2.61% decline so far. It is likely to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Furthermore, volume increased during the decline, which could be an early warning sign. It's advisable to monitor the ETF closely. Today, we'll be discussing some interesting signals to watch out for in the stock market. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence, which currently indicates a buy signal. Another signal to consider is the pivots, which generated a sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger Bands, on the other hand, have shown a buy signal 5 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal 2 days ago, while the long-term moving average also indicates a sell signal, but this happened 20 days ago. Now, let's analyze the relationship between the short and long moving averages. It revealed a buy signal 59 days ago. If we shift our focus to the 12-month chart, we observe that the short moving average displayed a buy signal 18 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 61 days ago. Furthermore, the relationship between the short and long moving averages on this chart suggests a buy signal 48 days ago. For more signals and detailed analysis, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ, the ETF representing the technology-heavy Nasdaq 100 index, has an interesting support level at $409.52. This level has seen significant accumulation of trading volume, suggesting that it could be a potential buying opportunity. Whenever support is tested, we often see an upwards reaction, so keep an eye on this level. When it comes to risk, QQQ is considered to have a medium level of risk. It has average movements during the day and good trading volume. In the last day, the ETF had a price range of $6.07 between its high and low, which translates to a 1.46% fluctuation. Over the past week, the average daily volatility has been 1.05%. Before we explore the potential good trading levels for QQQ, let's start by discussing some important fundamental data. Firstly, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio is a critical measure that compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A relatively low PE ratio can indicate lower expectations for the company's future or an undervalued stock, suggesting a possible buying opportunity. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for QQQ. If the market shows an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $421.18. If you're not yet invested, it might be wise to wait until this level is surpassed before entering a position. However, if you already own the stock, this could be an opportune level to consider for swing trading. On the other hand, if QQQ experiences a decline, it will encounter its first support level at $409.52. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with the potential for a rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $401.38, representing a decrease of 3.74%. This particular ETF exhibits moderate daily movements, which translates to a medium level of risk. We have identified a sell signal based on a pivot top that was observed 2 days ago. Is QQQ ETF a good buy? While QQQ holds several positive signals, we believe it is not yet a strong buy candidate. Currently, it is recommended to hold or accumulate this position, as we await further development. We have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate, due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, February 1st, we anticipate QQQ to open up by $1.91 and start trading at $418.88. Before we dive into the exciting world of trading, it's important to remember that there are risks involved. Always consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. We at StockInvest.us are here to provide information, but ultimately, you are responsible for your own investment choices. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock market. We want to hear your thoughts as well, so please comment below and share your opinions. What target have you set for the ETF? We value your engagement, so remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a fantastic day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.